Good morning and welcome. It's Chili Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a fluid art pour. And it's going back to kind of the basic, a big flip cup on this 50 by 55 inch canvas. And I'm literally using up all these leftover paints. I'm going to try and use all the paints I have in a big flip cup and hope that the colours work well together. So the first colour was a dusty pink that I made myself out of, I can't remember now, oh my goodness. I know that I would have added a lot of white to get it the dusty, and I'm literally doing a flip cup with my pale pink that was just the Berry Delicious that I make myself, and that one is fluoro orange. So just going through these colours, trying to layer them how I think they'll best look effective. That is the cool red, some more of the fluoro. My goodness, I haven't even had a drink. Fluoro orange and the cool red. So I'm just thinking here as I'm going, am I really going to have enough in one flip cup to cover this canvas? But let's hope so. If not, I can add some white in there. That was a little bit of metallic gold that I have left, so putting some metallic in there will help all the colours to kind of glisten as well from the metallic that's in that one colour. So some more of the pinkish. I'm not sure if this is going to end up being too bland, because there's not too many colours in there for a flip cup, is there? But really hoping that fluoro orange looks pretty good. You see on this shot here, I was working in the late afternoon in my studio. The sun was coming in one part of the door. You keep seeing this light. I kept seeing this white flash of light, thinking, is this my eye or what? There it is again. This flash going like from corner to corner, diagonally. And it's actually the sunlight, look, so it was quite magical in the end. But look at this flip cup, the flip and lip. Wow, wow, wow. It's actually much nicer colours than I expected. I'm super duper happy with this. So let's just tilt it gently and let the magic happen. Yeah, just remember when you're tilting, just do it very, very slowly, and in each corner make sure it covers the canvas, and always re-centre your tilt so it goes back to the centre, so you don't get left with the paint all up one end. I'm just finger popping the edges and getting it all looking pretty nice, and then I am going to, I think, use my butane torch on this. Pretty sure that I did. Not that I use the butane very often. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, there you go. I could have sworn I used my butane torch. Maybe I use it further on in the piece. I could have sworn I used my butane, but I've used the heat gun. So it's just you know, gently bursting any air bubbles there, and I always feel it helps the paint absorb into the canvas. Now that's nice enough as it is, and if you wanted to leave it like that, gorgeous. I'm just going to show you the photo of that. See the light? That was the light, but I thought that was too special to miss. So from now on here, I'm going to add a few embellishments with my palette knife, and in that container is the black mixed with Australian Floetrol, so as they call it, the cell activator. So you could do a swipe on the whole piece, but I just want to put some strategically placed swipes in here, which are absolutely gorgeous. They really came out like super gorgeous gems in the whole piece. Now for the next piece. This is so relaxing and super duper nice to do. Look at those cells. Oh my goodness, they're just really lush. They're very delicious in there, really helping them to pop. That's so nice. Like, you can definitely take photos, high definition photos of just areas that you're super happy with to use for prints or whatever, I guess. Now let's try the super slide. I'm calling them an Aussie slide because they're with Australian Floetrol and you're literally sliding that spatula through. How gorgeous was that? That is beautiful. Enjoying this too much, I think. I'm going for gold, going in it again, and because I know there's so much colour in there to create some lovely, beautiful, colourful gemstone looking cells. Oh, look at that. They're gorgeous, gorgeous. As I said, you could have very well left that flip cup exactly as it was. It was very, very nice. But I just wanted to go that extra mile with it and see what we got. So this is the end results, people. So that's sort of two different orientations of it after it had dried, and with the lovely cells in there, and also do put a photo of that light coming through. I hope that you enjoyed my lovelies, and I'll be back tomorrow. Sorry about that.